What's up, guys? Ant here, and today we are going to be removing a stain from our digital t-shirt. Okay, so let's just say you are starting a t-shirt business and you found the perfect shirt for a mock-up. It has high resolution, it's the right size, everything just looks good, okay? But you have one problem. The only copy you were able to find on the entire internet was this copy right here. So what we'll do here is we'll head on over here to our patch tool. Click on the patch tool. So before we do that, let me say something real quick. Well, why can't we just use a paintbrush and just paint over it? Let me show you why. So let's just say we create a new layer, push B, and we'll grab a paintbrush, and the color that we have selected is already selected, so we're fine there. So let's just say we just colored over this. Okay, now let's see what happened if we change the blending modes. Well, it looks like, unfortunately, there's not enough blending modes to make this stain go away. So we can go up here to our trusty tool, which is the patch tool here. Click on that. Let's dial it in just a tad bit and let's just trace around. Trace around like so. There we go. Now only thing we have to do is click and drag. Oops. Make sure the layer selected. Click and drag and move down like so to a spot where it would match. Drop it just like that. Voila, we're done. That's it. So now, of course, you can remove your background and take this, put your designs on it, and back to business. All right, guys, that's it. Quick and easy way to remove stains from your digital artwork using the patch tool in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.